We lost my sister's cat. It ran away. Jordan, say hi! Okay, so we're gonna go look like in this thing of weeds, if you can see that. It's like weedy. Okay. I'm vlogging.
And you have no gloves.
I don't need gloves. I'll be okay.
Amy!
Okay, so we didn't find like my sister's cat, but I'm cold, so I'm going back to the car. It's the snowy road. Yep, snowy. Sierra, we didn't find your kitty.
I figured that, Bethany. She's been
Huh?
gone for like 15 days.
Maybe she just decided to move out.
And guess what?
What?
Said I wasn't gonna bring them, but
You didn't. Oh, buddy! You coming in the car? Yes, you are. Okay, so I'm not gonna film right now, but I'm going to film back again later in the car. We're going to go get video games. Sounds fun. Okay, say goodbye for now. Goodbye. Okay, so we're at the game store if you want to see. Here it is.
that game.
The camera shut off at the video game store. So, bye.